Science is everywhere. From the mysteries of space to the tiniest atoms, there's always something fascinating to explore. Based on my preference, I've found some of the best YouTube channels that make science fun, exciting, and easy to understand. Let's check them out. First up, we have Veritasium. This channel takes science experiments and big questions to a whole new level. They explore weird, tricky science facts that will blow your mind. Trust me, you'll never see the world the same way again. Go check it out. Number 2. CrashCourse. This channel is like having the best teacher ever right on your screen. Their videos explain science and lots of other subjects in a way that's fast, fun, and super easy to understand. Give it a watch. Number 3. MinutePhysics. If you love quick, mind-blowing physics facts, this channel is for you. They use simple stick figure animations to explain crazy things like black holes and quantum mechanics. It's short, sweet, and super smart. Number 4. Kurzgesagt. Now this one's really cool. They make science look absolutely stunning. Their animations are bright and beautiful, and they explain things like space, biology, and even the future of humanity. Trust me, you'll love it. Number 5. Numberphile. Okay, math lovers, this one's for you. This channel makes math exciting and full of surprises. Whether it's about the magic of numbers or crazy math tricks, this channel will make you see math in a whole new way. Number 6. AsapSCIENCE. Ever had weird science questions like, what if we never slept, or why do we dream? Well, this channel has the answers. Their videos are colorful, funny, and packed with awesome facts. Number 7. The Slow-Mo Guys. If you love slow-motion videos, you have to see this channel. They use super high-speed cameras to show science in ways you've never seen before. Ever wondered what a bubble looks like when it pops in slow motion? Check them out. Number 8. Socratica. Want to learn science and math in a smart and stylish way? This channel has some awesome videos that explain things in a clear and cool way. If you like deep science facts, this is the place to go. Number 9. Amoeba Sisters. Biology can be super fun, and this channel proves it. They use adorable animations to explain things like DNA, cells, and viruses in a way that's fun and easy to understand. Trust me, you'll love their videos. Number 10. Khan Academy. And last but not least, if you ever need help with science or math, this channel has got you covered. They explain things step by step so you can understand tough topics easily. So, there you have it, some of the best science YouTube channels that will make learning fun and exciting. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you love science, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome videos. See you next time.